Once in a village, there lived a humble and wise old man. He had a reputation for being respectful to everyone he encountered. Villagers admired him for his serene demeanor and sought his guidance whenever they faced difficulties. One day, a young and ambitious man moved to the village. He was determined to gain respect through power and wealth. He observed the old man's behavior and decided to approach him. "You are well respected by all in this village. Tell me, old man, what is your secret?" the young man inquired. The old man smiled and invited the young man for a cup of tea. As they sipped tea in silence, the wind rustled the leaves of the nearby trees. After a while, the old man spoke. "Respect cannot be demanded, nor can it be bought. It must be earned through genuine actions and sincere intentions." The young man looked puzzled. "But how do I earn respect, then?" The old man gestured to the teacups. "Consider this tea. It was once leaves on a tree. Through patience, care, and a simple process, it became something that now nourishes us." He continued, "Treat every person you meet like a delicate tea leaf. Be patient, listen to them, understand their struggles, and offer kindness. Just as the tea transforms, you will transform their hearts with your sincerity." The young man pondered the old man's words. He spent time getting to know the villagers, helping them, and showing genuine concern. Over time, his actions spoke louder than his desires for power. Years passed, and the young man grew older. He had indeed become respected in the village, not through wealth or authority, but through his kind and understanding nature. People valued him for the connections he had formed, the problems he had solved, and the compassion he had shown, and so, the village had two respected men, one who earned respect through quiet wisdom, and the other who learned that genuine respect flows from the heart.